5 habits that are killing your energy. Eating over processed crap. Regardless of whether your diet is paleo, keto, or Oreos, this applies. Anything highly processed will take a lot of energy for your body to digest. Skip the takeout if you want to feel energized. Try this. Eat single ingredient foods with fewer processing steps. Scrolling in the morning. This is an incredible way to kill the momentum of your day. Flooding your brain with cortisol and unearned dopamine in the morning can leave you feeling sluggish for the rest of the day. Try this. Keep your phone off for an hour after you wake. Holding on to anger and resentment. Holding on to anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. Buddha. Well, I can't say it much better than Buddha. Let go of that anger. It will wear you out physically, emotionally, and mentally. Try this. Forgive and forget. Not for them, but for you. Shitty sleep routine. I will beat this horse until my arm falls off. Sleep is critical to living a good life. Never sacrifice your sleep, even for the grind. Sorry, productivity bros. Try this. No caffeine after noon. No phone after 9. Not moving your ass. Energy is like kindness. The more you give, the more you get. Gentle stress put on our heart and lungs is a good thing. Get moving. Try this. Make it your goal every day to have a moment when your heart is beating fast and you're trying to catch your breath. Bonus number 6. Lack of sunlight. Lack of sun can lead to a dip in your serotonin. Low serotonin is linked to depression and reduced energy levels. If you can't get in the sun, you can eat vitamin D-rich foods or take a supplement. Try this. Every morning for the next week, go for a 10-minute walk outside.